listeners. This is Anupam Singh. I am member of Hybrid Infrastructure Offerings Tribe here at Mphasis. This is our first episode on our thought leadership, where we will bring you a lot of interesting topics through podcast, blogs, vlogs, webinars. Today we have Senior Vice President Vilas Kanyal, who is based in London. He is part of our senior leadership team to kick off this session and give an industry perspective on this topic. Welcome, Vilas.
Hey, thanks, Anupam. Thanks for having me on this podcast.
So, Vilas, what pulse are you seeing in the market overall regarding the infrastructure space?
Oh, so Anupam, I think clients across industries are currently looking at flexibility in their IT, uh, basically to meet the consumer demands at cost-effective prices. That's number one. Number two, I think clients are expecting end-to-end solutions from technology partners who actually can commit to delivering business value rather than having plain technology solutions.
Wonderful. So, in that space, I know there's a lot of conversation going on regarding data center, cloud stuff, whatnot. So, how do you see all those coming together in this scheme of things in the industry?
Yeah, I think cloud Anupam is at the center of the universe, if you would, because it offers scale, agility, elasticity. Uh, but the irony is that, but not everybody has been able to get the maximum benefits of this cloud. We have seen clients embarking on cloud journeys, not being able to realize these benefits. And as per some industry reports, more than 80% of CIOs of organizations of different scale feel that they are not realizing the benefits because of the intricacies of implementing cloud projects and cloud journeys, not kind of starting or delivering the results what they want. Many of the clients have actually reached out to saying that after having started the cloud journey, uh, they need specific help because the projects are not going in the way they were envisaging. Uh, Most of the enterprises whom we speak to say that, hey, the expected benefits are not coming in because of the lock-in of moving everything to one cloud, Uh, and again, as per one of the public reports, some CIOs are saying that, hey, rather than having with one cloud provider, I would rather go with a hybrid cloud kind of a environment. So I think my perspective is very simple, is that while a lot of workloads are suited for cloud, it is not that that's the end all. There are some workloads which are governed by regulatory requirements, security requirements, trade secrets, which cannot be hosted on clouds. So we all need to take a step back, assess what is the right fitment of workloads, and how do we use different hosting locations depending on the type of workloads. So I think that's my take on cloud and its applicability, Anupam.
Quite insightful, actually, the multi-cloud approach that you spoke about, Vilas. Quite interesting. So, what does Mphasis have to offer to such customer? What is your offering?
So yeah, so at Mphasis, we recommend what we call as a hybrid infrastructure strategy in which public cloud, private cloud, colos, data center all coexist with orchestration among the various platforms. We ideally get engaged with our customers to do a 360 degrees assessment of their infrastructure and workloads to plan for their cloud journey. Our approach is to see the right fitment for their workloads, again, be it in data center, private cloud, or public cloud. Our clients actually find our vendor agnostic approach quite refreshing. It's a strong differentiator for us, and our expertise, our depth and breadth of expertise in technologies and tools helps us to remain completely agnostic and recommend what is the best solution for our clients. Moreover, our drift analytics utilities provide data on configuration creep, and our predictive algorithms detect failure up to 7 days in advance. This approach resonates very well with our clients, Anupam.
Oh, wow. So, analytics driven and being a vendor agnostic approach, that sounds really interesting. Um, so this is very insightful session that we had. Just to revise the key messages, Vilas, that you shared with all of us, that cloud is at the center, but yet there is a need for hybrid infrastructure requirement as we are seeing in the market. There is a workload driven assessment that is required before planning the journey. The vendor agnostic approach and the analytics and predictive analytics approach that we are taking here at Mphasis. Thank you so much, Vilas, for talking to us today. And I look forward to hearing more from our team members in subsequent episodes.
Thanks, Anupam.
Thank you.